The greatest among you must be a servant. Matthew chapter 23 verses 11. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I love to serve you with this succulent fufu you're seeing on your screens right now. This was done with so much ease because we are making it with some plantain fufu flour. Previously shared the recipe using the fresh plantain flour and the plantain flour together, but I had to come with a recipe using just the plantain flour because I've had tons of requests on this video. So there you have it, fam. Let's get right into it. So here I'm going to be using 2 cups of plantain fufu flour from the African Beauty brand. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm just sharing this because it is worth buying it. It has a beautiful texture and it's almost also double up in size as well. Okay, so for the 2 cups of fufu flour, I will add 1 liter of water, but here I just added half liter just to make sure that everything is well mixed. There is no trace of lump, and I'll add the other half liter very soon. This fufu flour really doubles up in size and it thickens up very easy. So you always have to calculate the number of people eating before you go ahead and make it. Mind you, the economy is hard and you do not have to make too many food and just end up throwing it away. I am not a fan of leftover fufu anyways, okay? So go ahead and just make sure everything is well incorporated. As you can see, it's really thick, and I will not advise you to start cooking it while it's this thick because it's going to be very hard for you to handle. So please make sure it's very light before you start cooking it. All right, proportion I'm giving you: if you're using 1 cup of water, just use half liter of water. If you're using 2, go ahead and use 1 liter of water. So it's now time for us to put it on fire. The cooking time is around 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and drive it just like the way you'd be making your porridge. Turn until it thickens up. Once the heat becomes very high, it's going to turn like this as you see on your screen. So once you get this texture, all that you have to do is to continue to drive it for about 4 to 5 more minutes. You really need a lot of heat for it to cook thoroughly, and you can even witness that now it's turning into this bright yellowish color, which is perfect. I said from the beginning, it really hardens and toughens up at this stage. So what I'm going to do is to add a little bit of hot water, about half cup of water, and just allow it to boil through for about 3 minutes, and I'll drive it all around. And I'm going to turn it around and allow the other part to also enjoy that beautiful heat as you are seeing on your screens. So right now the heat is doing its amazing job, and as you can see, the color is just beautiful yellow, just like plantain fufu that you are used to, right? So at this stage, all that you have to do is drive it for about 3 to 5 minutes and your fufu should be done. Just look at the texture, fam, just have a look. So here it is, stretchy, fluffy and soft, everything in one, and it's just perfection. So this is exactly how your end product should look like. If you feel like it is too tough for you, all that you have to do is add hot water, about 1 cup of hot water, allow it to just cook and boil through, and drive it again, and it will be very much uniform and you enjoy it, okay? But for me, this texture is just fine, and to mold it you will need your earthenware bowl, that is your apotoyowa, the natural one. Of course, you add the amount of fufu you want to serve, just mold it into this beautiful round shape, and that is it, family. Nothing more, nothing less. And just look at this beauty. This is exactly how you should be serving your fufu. And respectfully, the huge gigantic fufu portions days are over now. Let's normalize small portions of fufu. It is very inviting that way, okay? have it, these cuties are ready to be served with any soup of choice. Just look at these beauties. I cannot even have enough of it. So today we had it with some abenkwai, which is the palm nut soup. I have recipes of that. I will link it below. I'm going to also link the playlist of the soups recipe I have on this channel. You can pair with any soup of choice. We have the green soup, light soup, different types of light soup. We have the fish, chicken, beef, oh, you name it. It's a lot of soup recipes out here. Please go ahead and learn few soups recipes that you can pair with this amazing fufu. Oh, it was just so lovely. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching right to the end, family. I hope you're going to change your fufu game right now. And please make sure you give me a thumbs up. It's really important. And if this is your first time here, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.